Today we will be covering Lesson 41-2 on the conditional probability formula. This section only has one section, so it's just question number 1. Let's take a look at it. To start off, it says, we have calculated conditional probabilities using counts. But often you are not given counts. You are only given probabilities. You can develop a formula to find conditional probability given probabilities. We begin with Venn diagrams showing counts. Recall the tortoises and animals of known gender in the Coco Wildlife Preserve. The relevant counts are given in this Venn diagram, where T is the set of tortoises and K is the set of animals of known gender. Write each probability as a fraction. Find the probability of T given K. Remember, the favorable outcome of T given K and the probability of T and K are the same, but the total possible outcomes are different. So the probabilities will be different. Let's take a look at this. If you recall from the previous lesson, we know that there are 20 tortoises where we know their gender out of 57 total tortoises. So, probability of T given K is 20 over 57. Now, find the probability of T and K. Well, there were 91 animals altogether, because if we took the 4 plus 20 plus 37 plus 30, that gives us 91 total animals. So to find the probability of T and K, we're going to take the total number of animals at the preserve and how many of them are both tortoises and known gender. Only 20 of those. Let's flip to the next page. The next page says, find the probability of K. Well, the probability of K is we have 91 total animals at the preserve, and of known gender we have 57. So this would be 57 over 91. Finally, find the probability of T and K over probability of K. Well, we found T and K, sorry. That was B, which was 20 over 91. So we're going to do 20 over 91 divided by probability of K, which was 57 over 91. And again, this is probability of T and K over probability of K. Well, remember back in the day where you learned how to divide fractions? We kept the first fraction. We changed it from dividing to multiplying, and we're multiplying by our reciprocal, so we flipped that second fraction. 91 divided by 91 is 1. So I'm left with 20 over 57. What do you notice about that? You're right. The probability is the same as the probability of T given K in part A. To generalize, conditional probability can be found by using the formula. The probability of A given B equals the probability of A and B over the probability of B. On to your debriefing question.